Makeup isn't just for red carpets or late-night parties. Sometimes it's the smallest touch of color that makes your whole day brighter. Imagine waking up, swiping on one quick shade, and suddenly feeling like the main character in your own story. These 13 makeup looks aren't complicated. They're fast, fun, and full of personality. And trust me, once you try them, you'll never look at your morning routine the same way again. Set the tone. Think of makeup as your mood switch. Some days you need bold energy, other days soft and calm. These looks are little shortcuts to feeling confident without spending hours in front of a mirror. Each one is quick, effortless, and designed to bring a spark into your everyday life. The 13 easy makeup looks. 1. The one swipe look. Take a metallic eyeshadow, press your finger in, and swipe it across your lids. Done. That's it. You get sparkle, shine, and instant mood-lifting power in under 30 seconds. 2. Cloud Blush Soft. Dreamy blush blended high towards your temples. It's like painting happiness directly onto your face. It looks romantic, light, and instantly fresh. 3. Glossy Lids. Clear gloss on your eyelids, messy, juicy, and glowing like morning sunlight. No precision needed, just dab and go. 4. Floating Liner. Dot one tiny dot above your crease in any color. Pink, blue, neon, or black. It's subtle rebellion. You don't need a whole liner wing. One dot already makes a statement. 5. Smoky Underline. Instead of lining the top of your eyes, smudge it under your lower lash line. It flips the rulebook and creates instant mystery. 6. Gradient Lip Blur. Dab lipstick in the center, then blur it out with your finger. The result? A soft, playful bitten fruit effect that feels magical. 7. Inner Corner. Pop edge shimmer or neon right in the tear duct area. It's tiny, but the difference is massive. Suddenly, your whole eye look feels brighter. 8. Freckle Flicks. Grab a brow pencil and draw on tiny freckles. It's an easy way to fake a sun-kissed glow, even if you've been indoors all week. 9. The Barely There Glow. Skin tint, lip balm, and brushed brows. It feels like nothing, but looks like everything. Natural, effortless, and glowing without trying. 10. Graphic Line Slit. Take eyeliner and create a simple wing. Then cut out a small gap with concealer or a cotton bud. It looks futuristic and sharp, but takes under a minute. 11. Monochrome Magic. Pick one shade, pink, coral, peach, or nude. Use it on your lids, cheeks, and lips. It ties everything together and makes you look polished instantly. 12. High Shine Lip Oil. On bare skin and natural brows, glossy lip oil feels luxurious and simple. It's the definition of minimal effort, maximum effect. 13. The Midnight Spark. Tiny shimmer dots under your lower lashes. It's like stardust for your eyes. Delicate, dreamy, and completely unforgettable. Wrap up and daily magic philosophy. Makeup doesn't have to follow rules, and it definitely doesn't need to take hours. The real beauty is in experimenting. Some days you'll want the glossy lid, other days maybe freckles or a bold inner corner pop. Each of these 13 looks is quick to do, but every single one changes the way you feel. Makeup should be fun, playful, and full of magic, the kind you can carry with you every single day. Now the big question, which one of these looks are you trying first? Drop the number in the comments. I want to see if you're Team Shimmer, Team Blush, or Team Bold Liner. And if you want more daily magic delivered straight to you, hit that subscribe button, because this is just the beginning.